Okay, sir, before the launching of your new website about politics, sir, last day kahapon ang filing ng Certificate of Candidacy. What can you say on the composition of those who are running for the Senate?
I'm hoping that the people will discern, no? Dapat lagi natin tinitingnan, track record, character, no? And those that would really serve the interest of the Filipino people well. No? Unahin na natin, tignan natin track record and integrity, performance, no? More than popularity. I think that's what's more important.
Will you support some senatorial candidates like some re-electionists, sir?
Siguro those that I've known, probably those I've worked with, that I know to have a very good track record and support. But,
Can you name some, sir?
well, siguro, dyan sila, my former boss, former Senate President Tito Soto, Senator Lacson, mga people I've worked with, and I know that their integrity is unquestionable. Tsaka yung track record nila, no? Would speak for itself. Siguro yun muna, no? Anyway, break ako kasi ngayon pag ngayon na mag-enjoy ko lang tong hindi ako kasama, no? Kasi by next year, kami na isasalang. So actually, if I can be out of politics kung pwede, both local and national, so much the better, no? Kasi politics is really draining, no? Kaya ako makialam sa local, both local and national. So I just enjoy my midterm that I'm not up for re-election.
Pero sir, may observation. So may mga observations na yung mga nagpa-file parang magkakamag-anak, mag-iina, mag-aama, magkakapatid. So, some are saying na baka it's about time na mag-approve na ng anti-dynasty law. Any comment on that, sir?
Well, I think I've been consistent with that, no? From the first day I set my foot in the Senate, actually natanong niyo na ako rin. I was controversial and I'm really for anti-political dynasty. I have always stated that with more than 100 million Filipinos, there are a lot of those who are willing to serve, who have the credentials, who have the heart, andun yung malasakit. But unfortunately, they do not have the name, the popularity, the mechanism, the resources, yung mechanism, yung makinarya, yung machinery, to get themselves elected. Ako, I've always believed in giving chance to others, no? To be able to maraming may pwede, tsaka kaya lang unfortunately parang yung culture naging gano'n naging sad to say, popularity has been the
name of the
popularity has been the number one consideration, no? Instead of track record and performance and integrity. Ako, I've always reiterated that, no? That dapat sana performance, track record. Tsaka siguro, yun nga, I would support anti-political dynasty. Sabi ko, 112 million tayo, marami rin gusto magsilbi dyan, marami rin magaling, mahusay, wala lang makinarya, wala lang pangalan. So, yun, I always believe in giving chance to others.
Okay.
You also come from one of the
at least sa amin, kakaiba no? Kahit magkamag-anak kami, hindi sigurado pareho boto namin. Baka magkaiba pa. At least kakaibang situation sa amin. Joke lang.
Okay.
Ibig sabihin, hindi kayo nakakasigurado. Kahit doon nangyaring change of leadership, di ba? Kita man natin. So maganda doon, pag nandito isa, nandito isa.
Hindi magkasama.
Hindi package deal. Yan, diba?